Marcom Robot Landing Page Builder offers the most advanced landing page analytics capabilities. It provides the visibility you need to maximize the performance of your landing pages. Here's how it works. We'll start with our unique dashboard feature. It's right here in the main menu. Dashboard is the place where you'll see a real-time summary of how your landing pages are performing in general. It's the aggregate view where we are combining the data from all of your landing pages. The interactive real-time charts and dashboards make it easy to review your landing page KPIs by day, week, month, device, country, browser, and operating system. You can select a custom time frame and choose a specific folder to review the KPIs for a subset of your landing pages. If you'd like to check out the performance of a specific landing page, navigate to the Landings section. Here, you'll see a list of your landing pages with traffic, visitors, conversions, and conversion rate information. From there, you can select any landing page and click the icon with 3 dots to open the Actions menu. Among other options, you'll see Analytics, Speed Test, and Heat Map. Let's open up the Analytics real quick. Traffic, visitors, conversions, conversion rate. All of the KPIs are readily available for your review. You can slice and dice this data by device, country, browser, and operating system. You can also see how the KPIs are trending over time. Use this chart at the top left-hand corner to view the stats by day, week, or month. Now, let's take one step back and open the Speed Test option. Here you'll discover the overall speed test score of your landing page, as well as get recommendations to improve it. We rely on Google Speed Insights to get you the most actionable info and precise instructions. Finally, let's take a look at the Heat Map. Use Heat Map to discover what your visitors are actually doing on your landing page. What they are clicking on, how deep they are scrolling, what content they are finding the most valuable, and what parts are merely distracting them. Use this real-life intelligence to create better landing pages. Start analyzing the performance of your landing pages and maximize their conversion rate by visiting marcomrobot.com today.